Canada is quickly becoming a global powerhouse in aerospace innovation, and at the forefront of this revolution is Bombardier's upcoming marvel, the Global 8000. Built for both prestige and performance, the Global 8000 is designed to change the way we think about private aviation. It's not just a jet, it's a declaration of excellence, ambition, and national pride. As Canada steps into the global spotlight, the Global 8000 symbolizes more than technological advancement. It represents a bold step toward redefining modern travel. Located in the heart of Canada's thriving aerospace hub, the Greater Toronto Area has become the launchpad for the Global 8000. Bombardier's aircraft assembly center near Toronto Pearson International Airport is where this engineering marvel is taking shape. With every nut and bolt assembled on Canadian soil, the facility serves as a beacon of domestic capability and pride. Advanced robotics, precision tools, and skilled technicians come together in harmony to breathe life into what is poised to be the most capable business jet of its kind. What sets the Global 8000 apart is not just where it's built but how. Every detail, every curve, and every system is a reflection of Bombardier's commitment to quality. The assembly plant is equipped with cutting-edge automation and digital design systems that ensure accuracy down to the millimeter. This meticulous process reflects Canada's world-class aerospace ecosystem, a network of research centers, engineering firms, and universities working together to push the boundaries of flight. When we talk about speed, we often think of supersonic jets of the past, but the Global 8000 is changing the conversation. Capable of cruising at Mach 0.94, it stands to become the fastest purpose-built business jet in the world. That places it just behind the legendary Concorde in terms of speed, while offering far greater efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. In today's world, where time is more valuable than ever, the ability to fly at near supersonic speed gives corporate leaders and governments an unmatched strategic advantage. Beyond speed lies endurance. The Global 8000 boasts an intercontinental range of 8,000 nautical miles, a feat that unlocks non-stop routes between global power centers. Imagine flying non-stop from London to Perth, from Singapore to Los Angeles, from Dubai to Houston. These are not theoretical connections, they're real flight paths now within reach. This range opens new opportunities for business leaders, diplomats, and high-profile travelers who require maximum mobility without sacrificing comfort or time. The aircraft's capabilities are not just conceptual, they've been proven in the skies. Bombardier has already conducted multiple test flights out of its Wichita, Kansas facility, and each mission has confirmed the jet's performance under real-world conditions. From transatlantic crossings to stress tests in variable climates, the Global 8000 is demonstrating that it's more than a promise, it's a proven performer. Among the most notable advantages is its ability to take off and land on shorter runways, making it highly versatile and accessible to a wider range of airports worldwide. This runway flexibility gives it a competitive edge, particularly in business travel. Executives can now avoid congested international hubs and land closer to their destinations, saving hours of transit time. This isn't just about convenience, it's about productivity and agility in a fast-moving global economy. The Global 8000's operational efficiency provides a tactical advantage to those who demand the best of both performance and practicality. Step inside the aircraft, and you'll discover an entirely new dimension of comfort. The Global 8000 isn't simply luxurious, it redefines what it means to travel well. With 4 spacious, customizable living zones, passengers can tailor the cabin layout to meet their exact needs. Whether it's a boardroom in the sky, a bedroom suite for rest, or a media lounge for entertainment, the aircraft adapts to each journey with elegance. Comfort goes beyond layout. Bombardier has integrated the longest seated cabin in its class, giving passengers room to stretch, relax, and work without compromise. Advanced air purification systems and noise reduction technology ensure that travelers arrive feeling refreshed and focused. Every inch of the aircraft reflects ergonomic design, blending form with function to create a space that is not only beautiful, but biologically intelligent. For flight crews, the aircraft includes a dedicated rest area, allowing long-haul operations to continue safely and efficiently. These features reflect Bombardier's deep understanding of aviation from both a passenger's and a pilot's perspective. The aircraft is built not only to impress, but to perform, and its attention to crew welfare underscores its holistic design philosophy. Looking ahead, the Global 8000 is more than a new aircraft, it is the future of business aviation. As final assembly continues, the jet becomes a symbol of Canada's ability to lead in innovation, technology, and advanced manufacturing. The aerospace industry is watching closely, not just for the product, but for the process. Canada's model centered on integration, quality, and sustainability may set the standard for how high-performance aviation is approached in the 21st century. With a launch date set for 2025, the anticipation surrounding the Global 8000 is reaching new heights. The jet represents not only a leap in aeronautics, but a statement of Canada's industrial and creative capacity. Its journey from blueprints to blue skies is a reminder that when ambition meets expertise, the sky is not the limit, it's only the beginning. Bombardier's journey into the aviation world has been decades in the making. Originally known for building snowmobiles, the company transformed into one of the world's premier names in business aviation. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, Bombardier acquired and developed capabilities in regional jets and executive aircraft, gradually shaping itself into a force in the global aerospace arena. Canada has long been a major contributor to aviation innovation, with companies like Pratt & Whitney Canada, C, and Magellan Aerospace contributing to aircraft systems, simulation technologies, and parts manufacturing. Now, with the Global 8000, Bombardier is positioning the country once again at the forefront of elite business jet production. The business jet market is fiercely competitive, dominated by manufacturers in the United States, France, and Brazil. To stand out, an aircraft must offer something truly unique. The Global 8000's blend of speed, endurance, and luxury gives it an edge. It challenges competitors like the Gulfstream G700 and Dassault Falcon 10X by pushing the boundaries of what private aircraft can achieve. Industry analysts suggest that once fully operational, the Global 8000 could redefine fleet expectations for global corporations and charter providers. It may even prompt a new wave of aircraft development across the sector. From a technical standpoint, the Global 8000 integrates multiple cutting-edge systems. These include fly-by-wire controls, lightweight composite materials, and enhanced cockpit avionics. Pilots benefit from digital flight management interfaces, advanced weather mapping tools, and intuitive navigation assistance. Meanwhile, passengers experience cabin pressure optimized to 4,500 feet even at cruising altitude, dramatically improving comfort and reducing jet lag. The seamless combination of technology and human-centered design sets a benchmark for future aircraft. In today's aviation world, sustainability is not an afterthought, it's a demand. Bombardier has responded by incorporating fuel-efficient engines and emissions-reducing technologies into the Global 8000. Compared to older models, it delivers a significant reduction in CO2 per nautical mile flown. The company is also investing in sustainable aviation fuel partnerships and carbon offset programs, aligning itself with international climate goals. This aircraft isn't just faster, it's cleaner. The success of the Global 8000 wouldn't be possible without the highly skilled Canadian workforce. Across Ontario and Quebec, thousands of engineers, machinists, systems designers, and logistics experts are contributing to the jet's creation. Many have trained at Canada's top polytechnic institutes and universities, institutions that now integrate aerospace-focused programs to meet the rising demand for aviation talent. The ripple effect of such a project is huge. It stimulates job creation, encourages STEM education, and solidifies Canada's reputation as a country of innovation. For business leaders and VIPs, time is the most valuable currency. The Global 8000 recognizes this by offering a seamless experience from boarding to touchdown. With soundproofed cabins, ultra-fast connectivity, and personalized cabin lighting, every detail is tailored for productivity and peace of mind. High-net-worth individuals and global CEOs often use travel time to finalize deals, prepare for meetings, or recuperate between engagements. This aircraft makes that not only possible, but enjoyable. As the Global 8000 prepares for its debut, international interest is mounting. Multiple foreign buyers, from corporate fleets to government officials, are watching closely. Canada's reputation for safety, reliability, and craftsmanship gives the aircraft a strong foothold in global markets. Export contracts may follow the initial release, further cementing Bombardier's influence on a global scale. This also opens the door to deeper international aerospace partnerships and trade agreements. The Global 8000 isn't just setting the bar for what's possible today, it's laying the foundation for what comes next. Future models may explore hybrid electric propulsion, AI-assisted autopilot systems, and autonomous-like capabilities. With Bombardier at the helm, Canada is poised to play a key role in shaping the next generation of air travel. This isn't a one-time innovation, it's a long-term strategy to redefine mobility. Bombardier's investment in the Global 8000 program has a wide-reaching impact on local economies across Canada. Small and medium-sized suppliers, from parts manufacturers in Montreal to software developers in Waterloo, are contributing components to the final aircraft. The cascading effect of this production pipeline boosts employment, supports economic diversification, and attracts international investment. Communities near the aircraft assembly center have experienced noticeable growth, with supporting infrastructure being developed to meet the demands of a high-tech industry. In a world reshaped by the pandemic, travel has become more strategic than ever. Companies are rethinking their mobility plans, placing more value on speed, flexibility, and privacy. The Global 8000 addresses this head-on. Its long range allows multinational firms to reduce layovers. Its comfort features ensure C-suite executives stay rested and productive. And its reliability ensures that mission-critical trips happen on time, every time. In many ways, the Global 8000 isn't just for today's needs, it's engineered for tomorrow's world. For many Canadians, the Global 8000 is more than a machine, it's a symbol of national excellence. It embodies the qualities that define the country's engineering sector: precision, resilience, and forward thinking. Its creation showcases what's possible when a nation believes in its people and invests in their potential. Students, workers, and dreamers across Canada can look to the sky and see the Global 8000 as proof that innovation knows no borders and that Canadian innovation can lead the world. Canada's aerospace legacy stretches back nearly a century. From the early days of bush planes flying through the northern wilderness to the creation of supersonic test aircraft like the Avro Aero, the nation has long been a hotbed of aviation talent. The Avro Aero, developed in the 1950s, was considered one of the most advanced interceptor aircraft of its time. Although the project was controversially cancelled, it proved that Canadian engineers could compete with the best in the world. Today, Bombardier carries that torch forward with pride. Bombardier's evolution as a global aerospace player has been defined by ambition and strategy. In the 1980s, the company acquired Canadair, which produced the Challenger jet. That marked Bombardier's entry into the business aviation market. They followed with acquisitions of Short Brothers in Northern Ireland, Learjet in the United States, and de Havilland, Canada. These moves gave Bombardier a global footprint and access to technologies that would shape their future aircraft programs. The Challenger and Global series would go on to define the brand's reputation for performance and luxury. The selection of the Greater Toronto Area for final assembly of the Global 8000 is no accident. Toronto Pearson International Airport is one of the busiest and best-connected aviation hubs in North America. Its proximity to a highly educated labor force, a concentration of aerospace suppliers, and government support for innovation makes it the ideal location for advanced manufacturing. Canada's infrastructure, from railways to cargo logistics, allows for the seamless transport of components from various provinces to a central assembly hub. This efficiency adds value to the final product and reduces production timelines. The Canadian government has historically supported the aerospace industry as a strategic economic sector. Through agencies like Innovation, Science and Economic Development Canada, funding is allocated to research programs, manufacturing capacity, and international partnerships. Export Development Canada also plays a key role by financing foreign purchases of Canadian-built aircraft. Such initiatives ensure that Canadian aerospace firms like Bombardier remain competitive on a global scale. The Global 8000 is not just a Bombardier product. It is the result of an ecosystem supported by public and private investment in technology and talent.